Hey everyone, today we're looking at ticker symbol NVAX. Great day overall. Uptrend all the way to close, and even got some news. We'll look at that later. First, look at key points of resistance here. Take a look at that, guys. We're in a 20-day uptrend. That's huge. You could have bought it down at $9 and sold all the way at $19. Now we're on the 3-year chart here. First resistance at 25. Nothing too advanced here, and there's more resistance at 30 and 35 as well. It will be good if the stock could stay above 15 for the future coming weeks here. Alright guys, this is some great news right here. The stock, NVAX, is looking into human trials for, you guys know what's up. For my prediction, if this company finds the cure, this could very well be a $35, $40 stock. You just gotta break the key resistance points, and the FDA has to approve all our tests and stuff. Alright, that was for ticker symbol NVAX. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a like. Subscribe if you haven't. Questions or comments, leave them down below. I'll answer them all. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.